Her first bike accident. Bike ride. She's learning to go on her own. We're trying to be smart without wearing a helmet anyway, and we're on the Richland track where it's a little bit softer. She's still trying to figure out which foot she wants to use as her start foot. This could be interesting. There she goes. Push and go! All on her own. Slow down. I'm running if you're wondering what the big heavy breathing is. She's doing it! She's staying in lane 6 or 7. Trust you know how to stop for Daddy has a heart attack. Slow down. Use your brakes, honey. Well, we're still working on brakes. So, what's the girl think? Natural?
Stay on, ready, swing. I already know what that is.
That's good. Don't learn it. Bye-bye.